Case study tracing a missing automotive engineer. Augsburg client background. A UK-based automotive manufacturer contacted Bond Rees to trace a missing engineer who had travelled to Augsburg, Germany to oversee the testing of new components at a local automotive parts supplier. Augsburg, located in Bavaria, is known for its strong engineering and manufacturing industries, particularly in the automotive sector. The engineer had been tasked with managing the quality control process for critical parts used in electric vehicles. When the engineer failed to check in after attending several meetings, the company grew concerned about the project's timeline and the engineer's safety. The Investigation Bond Rees gathered all relevant details about the engineer's work schedule, recent communications and accommodation. The engineer had been staying near the city's historic centre, close to Augsburg Cathedral, a prominent landmark. The last known communication from the engineer was a phone call confirming their arrival at a testing facility in the Lechhausen district, an industrial area known for its automotive manufacturing and engineering firms. Digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and recent financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer near the testing facility in Lechhausen, but no further communication occurred afterward. Bond Rees reached out to facility staff, local suppliers, and hotel employees to gather more information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had been seen entering the facility, but did not return to their hotel or attend subsequent meetings. On-the-ground investigation in Augsburg. Bond Rees dispatched local investigators to Augsburg, focusing on the industrial areas in Lechhausen, key transport routes, and the city centre. Investigators also reviewed CCTV footage from the facility and surrounding areas to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team traced the engineer to a remote section of the testing facility where the engineer had been conducting final inspections on components. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had suffered a medical emergency during the testing process, leading to a brief loss of consciousness. The incident had occurred in an isolated part of the facility, and it took time for staff to discover the situation. Additionally, the engineer's communication devices had been damaged during the event, preventing any contact with the firm. Outcome: Bond Rees quickly located the engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this crucial information to the automotive manufacturer in London. After receiving medical treatment, the engineer was able to recover and return to the project, ensuring the testing phase continued without significant delays. Why Bond Rees? This case showcased Bond Rees' expertise in managing investigations in industrial and engineering-driven cities like Augsburg. By combining digital forensics, local knowledge of the automotive sector, and swift on-the-ground efforts, Bond Rees ensured the timely recovery of the missing engineer, allowing the project to proceed without major interruptions.